Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube video regarding PrimeXBT Stop Loss and Take Profit features. I'm going to explain you how are they working and the way you should utilize them. This is Scramble from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and I have created a series of tutorials regarding PrimeXBT which are helping you to utilize the platform, benefit of the features, and make sure everything is done correctly. Until that, you have to be logged in and get started on learning how to utilize the stop loss and take profit feature. So if you don't have an account, make sure to use the link located in the description area and commenter of this video. Sign up. Once you have logged in, you can put a promo code that will give you a 35% bonus on your first deposit. First deposit calculated after you activate the campaign. If you already had an account and you had done some other deposits, it's no issue. You can still activate this campaign by going to the promo code section within the account and then writing here Scramble, just like that. Once you do it, activate, it's going to activate the campaign name with my name. You're going to get 35% on the first upcoming deposit that you're going to do from the time you have activated the campaign. Beautiful. So let's go towards, guys, and get into the topic of today: how to set up a stop loss and a take profit order. Now we gotta simulate a order in order to show this. Before we get into the technical part, I'm gonna tell you the benefits and the purpose of both features. Number one, stop loss. Just like the way it says, it's stopping the losses. And this is a feature which is giving security for the trader, a feature which is allowing the trader to trade hands off by setting any stop loss, which allows the person to close down the trade at a certain price without being active on the trading board and doing it manually. So basically, a stop loss is automatically cutting your losses and keeping you in the game by the way you want to trade, based on the strategies and all that stuff. So this is a security tool which is allowing us to trade efficiently by cutting down the losses at the time everything turns bad. It's very good. In my opinion, all the trades need to have a stop loss set. As soon as the stop loss is set accordingly, you can make money by having a right entry, a right target, and the right stop loss set accordingly to all the three elements. Consider it, guys. Take profit is exactly the opposite. We want to take profits and close down the trade even at the times we're not active at the trading board. Maybe we're sleeping, maybe we're traveling, but we have the technicals. We know the prices where we want to stop our order because everything becomes dangerous afterwards. So we hit our targets and we're fine. Therefore, we utilize this feature in order to take advantage of the possibilities created by the technology. So that's awesome, guys. Stop loss, take profit, they're very important at today's type of trading, especially in the cryptocurrency area. Now let's dive into the technical example. We gotta click on trade because we want to open up a trade, and we're gonna go BTC paired up with the US dollar. We're gonna go long, so we're gonna buy, use a market type, an order type of market. The size is gonna be 1 Bitcoin. We're gonna have a margin of 0.01 on our trade, and then we have to tick this box right here, which opens up two possibilities: the stop loss price and the take profit price. We're going to tick both because we want to use both for this. Now, here's the thing. When you buy long, your stop loss needs to be below the price you have purchased, because that's the place you would be in minus. So you want to cut the losses below the price you purchased. When you short the market, you're going to lose money if the market goes up. So your stop loss needs to be above the price you have purchased. And I'm sure this makes sense to you. The take profit is exactly the opposite, guys. When you go long, you take profits while you're in profit. So once the price is higher than you purchased, therefore, the take profit needs to be higher than the price you purchased. When you sell the market, you short it. Means that you're going to only make money and take profits out if the market is decreasing. So the take profit tab needs to have a price that is lower than the price you have entered, because that is the only way you're going to take profit. While stop loss is on the other side, on the upper side, above the price you have bought. That is the quick explanation in the correlation between buy and sell, which means long and short, stop loss and take profit. We have taken and going through all the scenarios possible. Now, let's get into the way we set this thing up, because we have here the current price, which is represented in the market order type. We need to set our price accordingly to the current price. So we're looking at the stop loss. And for example, if right now is close to 8,900 per Bitcoin, I'm gonna put here a stop loss at 8,500. Hopefully at the time you're watching this video, the price is not going to be 8,900. The price is going to be $20,000 per BTC. If it's that, feel free to drop me a message and say hello. You can also say hello and like the video if you enjoyed the tutorial until now, because it's helping me a lot. Great, so the stop loss is below. It's at 8,500. Now, the platform, it is also showing you how much is going to be your loss if that stop loss is going to be touched, and if you're fine with that, how much is going to be your cost by hitting that stop loss. And it's showing it right here. Project loss BTC amount 0.045 is the loss out of my margin balance if the market is touching this 8,500 stop loss. So that's the thing, guys. What if we go around the take profit? We definitely need to set above. So I'm going to put here 9,500, which is a little above the current price, 8,900. It's like $600 away. I would be fine to close down my trade if we touch this price of 9,600. So therefore, how much am I going to make if we touch that price and we close down the order? It is 0.06 Bitcoins we're going to profit on this one if it's touching that price based on our margin impact. You know what's that? It's quite nice, guys, because that's like 600%. Look at the margin impact I have, 0.01. That's how much it's costing me. And we can run a quick simulation on that based on the current price here. 0.01 BTC is $88. And 0.066 is 580, which is a lot better because you divide 580 to, where's my calculator? Do I have a calculator here? No, I need to do this on my mind. No issues. So 580 divided to, what was that? To 88 to 90. That is 6. 6 divided to, it's going to be 540. Yeah, that's fine. 6 multiplied by 9, it's 540. We have 580, little above 6 times. More than 600% profit on your trade if that is the take profit and it's touched compared to the margin impact that you have to consider from the beginning at the time you're opening. And then simply just send the order. That's the way you put it, guys. Make sure you verify once again what's going on and then confirm. So here we go. We have all the statistics represented in the positions tab with the price we have bought, with our size, which is 1 Bitcoin, with the price where we have been filled, with the current price, profit and loss, totally speaking, take profit and stop loss as well being shared over there. Now, what we have to do is simply just wait. Wait for the market to do its job. Once it does its job, we know we're gonna get paid at the time our take profit is going to be touched. Hoping not to get touched around the stop loss, because that would mean a loss in our account. The order is going to be triggered automatically and things are going to be set in stone from the time you created your trade. So you don't have to worry about the next things. If you want to modify, you want to right click on your position, click modify position, and you can change back and forth things over there. Click modify and you're good to go. So it will update it over here. Now that's pretty much all about the way it works, guys. What I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to close down my position. And I'm going to talk about within my next videos how to avoid liquidation, when does liquidation appears, what is a margin call, what are all these necessarily things you need to be aware of. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out scramblecoaching.com for those of you looking to become professional traders. I am talking about and describing my one-on-one coaching program where I'm teaching you personally how to trade from A to Z, making sure that you become a professional trader at the end of the period, which is like 1.5 months coaching programs on Skype calls one-on-one with me. So make sure you check out that website. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you soon.